planning on a video today, only just because I wanted to take a break. I mean, I did a short video of my cats and my dog, but I guess, why not? Let me get started here. Okay, there we go. So, I'm gonna do like a DIY summer picture, so yeah, let's draw summer. Like a summer, poster. Let's do a summer poster drawing. Where did I put my paper? There we go. I found my paper. Okay, it took me a moment. So yeah, let's do it, I guess. I mean, it's not like a big deal or anything. I wasn't really going to do a video because I worked yesterday and I kind of want to relax. But anyways, it's alright. Let's do summer. We're going to write the words summer 2026. Alright. It's not really good. It's hard to see my picture because my lighting in my room isn't all that good. If I did it like that, maybe. Yeah, you can kind of see it now much better. But yeah, I was gonna do a video, but I'm like, you know what? I wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I changed my mind. So let's just do it. Summer poster. So this is a DIY. And a DIY stands for do it yourself. So you guys can do it however you want. And this is how I do it. So yeah. Alright. Summer. And work was good last night too. I'm glad I'm back. But I have today off, so yeah. Here's my summer poster of 2026. So 2026. I don't think I will have time to color this, but I really want to. It's so pretty. So I'm just doing summer 2026 and add some summer stuff the sun and all that. Perfect. So let's put it there. I'm gonna draw the sun here. So yeah, let's just get started on drawing some stuff and coloring it. I'm okay. Look at that. That looks good. What else could we add? Ooh, I just got a good idea. Sorry. I got excited for a moment. Let's draw watermelon. That's summer related. Yeah. There we go, besties. Let's color it in. Watermelon. Ooh, that's actually a... I like it. Oh, wow. It actually turned out pretty good. I'm shocked. I'm not good at drawing, but I'm trying my best. Okay, let's see what else. Let's color some letters in now. Let's do summer. That way it's, yeah. I was gonna do this tonight, like I said, but now, since I'm doing it, I like doing stuff like this. Let's see. What else could we add? Ooh, pink. I always get the wrong side, but this is the side I like, the other side. What else could we draw? I could draw a beach ball if I wanted to. Ooh, I could do a happy face. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do a happy face after I color this number in, the number 2. Yeah, okay. What color should the happy face be? I think it should be a cool color, like my favorite color, blue. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Do a happy face. Yeah. And then color this in. If I don't finish this, then I'll post it when I'm done, obviously. It'll be on my Instagram. If you guys are new, it's rsarts97. That's my Instagram. So if you guys want to follow me, I'll follow you guys back. Just let me know who you are and go from there. And the last thing I should draw is a peace sign. Yeah. Perfect. I like it. Do you guys like my poster of summer 2026? I do. Looks so cool. I did pretty good. Surprised it looks this good. Normally when I start drawing, I make a first copy to lay out what I have to do and go from there, but looks good. I don't know if I'll finish in time to finish all this like coloring. If not, then again I'll post it when I'm done. And then after this post, I'm gonna just do my thing and just relax. I hope my besties had a wonderful Saturday night or Saturday morning, depends whenever you're watching this, besties. But yeah, this looks really cool. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed right now. Let's do the last color. Well, it's not the last letter that I'm gonna color, then finish this and then post it when I'm done, like I said. Alright, let's do the letter E. E for excellent, or egg, or elephant. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna post this now. Thank you for watching. Peace out, besties.